Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is video lecture 9 of computer playlist. So let us start. Question number 1. Which device ensures communication between two different protocols? Options are A. Gateway, B. Router, C. Switch, or D. Access point. So the correct answer is option A. Gateway. Question number 2. What is the purpose of a repeater in a network? Options are A. Block unauthorized access, B. Amplify and regenerate network signals, C. Assign IP addresses, or D. Resolve domain names. So the correct answer is option B. Amplify and regenerate network signals. Question number 3. What is the primary function of a router? Options are A. Amplify signals, B. Route data packets between networks, C. Manage MAC addresses, or D. Provide internet access. So the correct answer is route data packets between networks. Question number 4. Which device amplifies and regenerates signals in a network? Options are A. Router, B. Repeater, C. Switch, or D. Bridge. So the correct answer is option B. Repeater. Question number 5. A device that broadcasts data to all connected ports is called a. Options are A. Hub, B. Switch, C. Router, or D. Modem. So the correct answer is option A. Hub. Question number 6. What is the role of a firewall in networking? Options are A. Amplify signals, B. Block unauthorized access, C. Manage MAC addresses, or D. Route packets. So the correct answer is option B. Block unauthorized access. Question number 7. Which device is used to connect dissimilar networks? Options are A. Switch, B. Gateway, C. Hub, or D. Repeater. So the correct answer is option B. Gateway. Question number 8. Which device connects a computer to a network? Options are A. Switch, B. Network interface card, C. Hub, or D. Firewall. So the correct answer is option B. Network interface card, NIC. Question number 9. A device that connects two LAN segments is called a. Options are A. Repeater, B. Bridge, C. Hub, or D. Router. So the correct answer is option B. Bridge. Question number 10. Which device assigns IP addresses to devices in a network? Options are A. Modem, B. DHCP server, C. Router, or D. Gateway. So the correct answer is option B. DHCP server. Question number 11. Which device converts digital signals to analog and vice versa? Options are A. Modem, B. Router, C. Repeater, or D. Bridge. So the correct answer is option A. Modem. Question number 12. A device that connects two different types of networks is called a. Options are A. Gateway, B. Router, C. Bridge, or D. Hub. So the correct answer is option A. Gateway. Question number 13. Which network device uses IP addresses to forward packets? Options are A. Switch, B. Router, C. Hub, or D. Firewall. So the correct answer is option B. Router. Question number 14. What does HTTP stand for? Options are A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, B. High Transfer Technology Protocol, C. Hyper Technology Transfer Protocol, or D. High Text Technology Protocol. So the correct answer is option A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question number 15. Which protocol is used to send emails? Options are A. HTTP, B. SMTP, C. FTP, or D. SNMP. So the correct answer is option B. SMTP. Question number 16. What is the default port for HTTP? Options are A. 80, B. 21, C. 25, or D. 110. So the correct answer is option A. 80. Question number 17. Which protocol is used to securely transfer files over a network? Options are A. FTP, B. SFTP, C. HTTP, or D. SMTP. So the correct answer is option B. SFTP. Question number 18. What does IP stand for? Options are A. Internet Protocol, B. Internal Protocol, C. Information Protocol, or D. Integrated Protocol. So the correct answer is option A. Internet Protocol. Question number 19. What is the purpose of the ARP protocol? Options are A. Map IP addresses to MAC addresses, B. Send emails, C. Resolve domain names, or D. Transfer files. So the correct answer is option A. Map IP addresses to MAC addresses. Question number 20. What does FTP stand for? Options are A. File Transfer Protocol, B. Fast Transfer Protocol, C. File Tracking Protocol, or D. Fast Technology Protocol. So the correct answer is option A. File Transfer Protocol. Question number 21. Which protocol secures communication over the internet? Options are A. HTTP, B. HTTPS, C. FTP, or D. Telnet. So the correct answer is option B. HTTPS. Question number 22. What does DHCP stand for? Options are A. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, B. Data Host Configuration Protocol, C. Dynamic High Configuration Protocol, or D. Data High Configuration Protocol. So the correct answer is option A. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Question number 23. Which protocol is used to access web pages? Options are A. FTP, B. HTTP, C. SMTP, or D. DNS. So the correct answer is option B. HTTP. Question number 24. Which protocol is used to encrypt data in a VPN? Options are A. IPsec, B. SMTP, C. HTTP, or D. FTP. So the correct answer is option A. IPsec. Question number 25. What does SSL stand for? Options are A. Secure Sockets Layer, B. Safe Server Layer, C. Secure Server Link, or D. Safe Sockets Link. So the correct answer is option A. Secure Sockets Layer. ये हमने आप लोगों के लिए कुछ शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाए हैं. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके इन शॉर्ट नोट्स को पढ़ सकते हो. होप आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक कीजिए. थैंक यू.